Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick tutorial on how you can find your Discord ID. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you've already logged into your correct Discord account. And once you're here, you will click this gear icon right here which says user settings. And then once you're here, what you will have to do is scroll down a little until you see advanced. So just go ahead and click that. And now you will see this option that says developer mode. And what you will have to do is basically just toggle it on and then exit. And now what you will have to do is click your profile, which is on the bottom left side of the screen. So just go ahead and click that as well. And what you will have to do is basically just click copy user ID. And now your Discord ID is now copied to the clipboard. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.